Hi, I'm Cassie Villela, and today we're doing a tour of the beautiful Monte Vista neighborhood. This neighborhood is right in the heart of San Antonio and filled with large historic homes. So I hope that you'll enjoy all that this neighborhood has to offer. The Monte Vista Historic District is located just west of Highway 281 between Hildebrand Avenue and Ashby Pl, in an area known as Midtown San Antonio. Development began in 1889 and most of the homes were completed by the 1930s. The neighborhood stands today as a representation of the Gilded Age and is officially registered in the National Register of Historic Places. In order to preserve the history of San Antonio, homeowners are subject to rules and regulations set forth by the San Antonio Office of Historical Preservation. Whether you live in San Antonio or are just here for a visit, a drive around this neighborhood is an absolute must. The original homeowners, mostly prominent members of the cattle and oil industries, recruited renowned architects like Atlee B. Ayers, J. and Lee Adams, and Frost Carville to bring national trends to San Antonio. On your drive, you'll find a mixture of styles, including Queen Anne, Hollywood Bungalow, Georgian, Tudor, Moorish, and Victorian. It is especially beautiful around Christmas time. Located in the heart of the city, Monte Vista is steeped in the culture and character of San Antonio. Local restaurants of all types surround the neighborhood. Try Barbaro for some amazing pizza and atmosphere. Or grab burgers and a craft beer at Chris Madrid's, a local staple for over 40 years. Visit the antique stores on Blanco Road and then grab a bite at Blanco Cafe. Hildebrand Avenue is jam-packed with a variety of local stores and eateries. My family's favorite is Alamo Candy Company, where we always buy the kids' birthday piñatas and plenty of delicious Mexican candy. Make sure you check out the side of the building and pay homage to the mural of Selena while you're there. Historic Landa Library is in the heart of Monte Vista and has a lovely playground and walking paths. Monte Vista is located in San Antonio ISD and zoned to Cotton Elementary School, Mark Twain Middle School, and Edison High School. There are also many private schools nearby, including St. Anthony Catholic School, Keystone School, San Antonio Academy, and Monte Vista Montessori School. The east side of the neighborhood borders the beautiful campus of Trinity University, and San Antonio College is located close by. Home prices in Monte Vista vary quite a bit because of the range of home sizes. In the past 6 months, homes have sold from $300,000 to $1,325,000. The price per square foot ranges from $240 to $320 per square foot. The location in Midtown puts Monte Vista so close to many of the amenities that San Antonio has to offer. The San Antonio Zoo is just blocks away, along with one of my favorite places to visit and take photos, the Japanese Tea Garden. If you're looking for San Antonio nightlife, the iconic St. Mary's Strip is on the southeast border of the neighborhood. Just south of that, visit the Pearl Historic Brewery, where you'll find dozens of wonderful restaurants, boutiques, local bookstore, the Twig Bookshop, and on Saturdays, an impressive farmers market. From there, you can walk down the Riverwalk to the San Antonio Museum of Art, or head over to Broadway for the Whitty Museum, or my kids' favorite, the Dooseum. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the Monte Vista neighborhood. Make sure you check it out yourself in person.